Yo, baby, let me take you over here to the other side.
Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg. Y'all remember that? Or is that just me? Were we the only ones in elementary school that sang that? Well, either way it go, you guys. Hey, hey. I am back to give you guys another holiday makeup tutorial because it is after Christmas. Merry Christmas to all who celebrate Christmas, and happy holidays to all who don't celebrate Christmas. But, you know, just merry everything. How about that? We'll just say merry everything, you guys. So we are doing another little makeup holiday glam look. So you see, we starting off with priming the lid. And y'all, in my other video, I was talking about my little mini makeup blender. I found it, y'all, and I could not be happier because I like to use that to blend out my little primer and everything. I feel like it gives me like a little extra if you know what I'm saying. And I am going into this Crayon case box of crayons palette, and I'm using the red shade, and I am placing that red all in my crease. And y'all, mid recording I got really thirsty, so as you see, I am sipping that good water, little water with lime. I'm sipping my water with lime out my cup. And I did kind of shorten that clip because y'all, I was drinking my water for a long time. Like, I was thirsty. I get thirsty, y'all. So I was just sitting there drinking my water, but I am blending this red all into my crease, just creating that base. And then I wanted to darken up my crease of that red a little bit, so I went in with the Crayon case matte book palette. They have a deeper red, and I took that deeper red shade and I kind of placed it right, not right directly on top, but kind of like merging in with the red from the box of crayons palette, and I'm blending that out. I hope that makes sense, but in my head it makes sense. So if you following me, then you know what I'm saying. And I'm taking my under eye setting powder, the chalk dust setting powder, and I am placing that on my brow bone, and I realized that I forgot to put it on, so I had to go back, put it on, go ahead and make everything blend seamlessly and even. And if you have been a long time watcher on my channel, then you know a cut crease, I'ma do it. So I'm taking that Juvia's Place I prime that I prime my eyelids with, and I am just carving out my cut crease. And like I said in the last video of me doing a cut crease, it is not a sprint, it is a marathon when it comes to doing these cut creases. And bye y'all, look at that cut crease, y'all. I'm just blending it out. That's why I don't know why I looked at the brush like that, but I'm blending that cut crease out, y'all. And now I'm going back into that Crayon case red shade, and you see how me mixing the red from the matte book palette kind of darkened up the red that's in my crease versus the red that I'm placing on my eyelid. That's the contrast that I wanted. I wanted that contrast for what we're about to do now. And so after that, at first I was gonna do just red and green, but I wanted to do something extra. I wanted to do something that had a little pizzazz. So I saw that gold and I said, I think that'll look good on the middle portion of my eye. So I'm placing that gold on the middle part of my eye to kind of give a little contrast with what I'm about to place in my inner corner. And sticking with the box of crayons palette, we are going in with the shade green. Like you see where this is going? Christmas colors all around. Reds, golds, green. Like, those are the OG Christmas colors. If you know, you know. If you a 90s kid like I am, your Christmas tree consisted of nothing but red, gold, and green. Tell me I'm lying. Red, gold, and green. Put down in the comments what color your Christmas tree was, either as a child or even this year, or just put the Christmas tree that you remember the most. What's your favorite Christmas tree decorations? What was the color scheme for that? Of course, mine was the red, gold, and green. And I got excited about them glitters, y'all. I get excited when it's time for me to do anything involving glitter because I don't use glitter a lot. So I get excited whenever I pull out that NYX glitter primer. Like, you see, I was going in with a brush at first, but I felt like it was not giving what it was supposed to give. I felt like it was kind of taking the eyeshadow off. So I started using my finger, and then towards the inner corner is when I started using the brush again because I just wanted to make sure I got enough glitter primer on that green for what we're about to do now. And out of those little stacks that y'all saw me shaking, I'm taking the red and I am placing that on top of the red eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with that gold glitter, and I am placing that gold glitter on top of the gold eyeshadow, as well as mixing it in just a little bit with the red eyeshadow and the red glitter in order to create that seamless blend, that seamless contrast from red to gold. And then for the final piece, of course, you gotta add that green. And I put that green on a little small fluffy blender brush that I got from an Amazon kit. Y'all, using this little fluffy brush, it did what it was supposed to do. It gave what it was supposed to give. And now, this is just the other side. I felt like at first I was gonna cut this out, but I felt like since it was closer to the camera, it was an easier view of you guys to see how I was packing the glitter on. So this is me doing the glitter for the other eye. To wing or not to wing is the question. The answer is we are going to wing, because I feel like this look would not be complete without a wing. Like, you cannot just do a bomb look like this and not do a bomb wing liner. And y'all, the lashes we're using are from the Everything Dollar Store. And y'all, just look at the finished look. Like, you can't tell me that I didn't do that. Because if you say it, you're lying. As always, I want to say thank you all for coming through and watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.
Looking at your body, goddess Aphrodite. Heard you got that water, baby. Can you come and drown me?